Get precise fastening control and the high torque you need for the most demanding applications without the cord. The Makita 18-volt LXT brushless high torque half-inch square drive impact wrench. The efficient brushless motor delivers a full 740 foot-pounds of max torque and 1,180 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. This is your cordless solution for turning stubborn lug nuts, mudsill bolts, and more. For added precision when you need it, the 3-speed power selection switch adjusts the speed and torque to match the application. The Makita brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. And it has no carbon brushes, so it runs cooler and more efficiently for longer life. At less than 8 pounds with battery, it has half the weight of a top corded model, but more torque and no cord. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. This powerful fastening solution is a must-have for iron workers, steel workers, automotive mechanics, forming carpenters, and more.
New in WorkPro's power tool lineup is the 20-volt Cordless Impact Wrench. It's the ideal workhorse for use in automotive repair, equipment maintenance, and much more, delivering a whopping 320 foot-pounds of torque at a speed of up to 3,200 RPM. It features a half-inch chuck, variable speed trigger control, and bright LED lamps to illuminate work areas. The kit includes one 2-amp-hour battery for all-day battery life, a 1-hour fast charger, and a removable belt clip. WorkPro. Build a better project.
Rheal is all in. It doesn't cut corners or cut anything close to a little slack. Rheal is grease-stained, rust-covered, and frozen solid. It's not for the weak at heart or for the weak at all. Rheal is get it done now, not get it done whenever. Rheal is dedication, innovation, and perspiration. And at Ingersoll Rand, we get real. Rheal is what fuels our passion to create the very best tools on the market. Tools built to be smarter, safer, faster, and stronger. Tools that will always work as hard as you need them to so you can get the job done right. We make real tools for
We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comments section.